Hello and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to create an Etsy account and set up for business. Okay, first we have to go to Etsy.com. Let's go to Etsy. You have to search Etsy in your web. I am doing in private because in my main web I have login. Etsy, first you will come to Etsy, then you will show like this. You have to click on this sign in button, then you have to just or register button. You can just uh, here log in with your mail. I am writing here my mail. So guys, I have logged in my Etsy account. As you can see, it's a new account. You can see first update is coming. Okay, to sell we have created the account. Now to sell on Etsy, you have to click on this button, sell on Etsy. You have to click on this button, get started. Then you have to select this. Let's do this. Here is asking what's bring to your Etsy. I can select this. I have a business and I want to sell for the first time, or you can select your situation. Do next. Then here you can just take your resources that will help you to grow, to deciding to what to sell online, selling online, package delivery, understanding the finances and fees, and you can select all the buttons. Selling globally, like next. You have to click on this, start your shop. To start your shop, you can just set up your home country, like shop country, then shop currency. Please select the shop country and currency in where you are living now and where you are from. Just do it this, just name the shop. If you don't know, you can just click here to click. If you have created one-time account, you have the edit button to change your name on Etsy, your store name. As you can see, it's a big article, you can read. I am not reading because it's a tutorial. Let's go to next. I am naming this store as smart by this. Some random stuff is coming. Let's go with do this. You can name your shop whatever you want. Next, this we have to create our listings. Then we can create. How to create a listing? If you want to create a t-shirt design, you have to go to Canva. I am opening the app. Let's see, here I have created a design. You can create design by just searching here templates. Canva will provide you a free template, or you can buy their pro version and you can enjoy it. It is the pro template. I have pro version. I can just edit this template, but if you don't have pro version, you cannot. You have to buy the pro version, or you can buy pro version. Canva gives a 3 days trial. You enjoy. In 3 days you create as many designs as possible. Then you can edit this. I have made this design. Let's upload in Etsy. Just click on add photos, select the design. I have added this. You can just name this design. I am giving design like woman t-shirt with love, or you can write anything what you want. You can I did. You can select you can select whatever you want. It is made recently, it is handmade. I think select the category that you want to select. Let us select as cloth and fabric. You can select the thing that you want to select. I'm selecting wrong, but you can select your category. You can select your craft type. You can select your primary color, secondary color. These are the optional, but you can if you want. Then select this all options. Let you know, I am telling one thing. If you want to become a seller in Etsy, you have to pay every month a fee to Etsy to renew your post. It is about 0.20 cents USD, or you can do like manually also, but I am selecting automatic because it's good. Then you have to do continue. You have to select this also. I am writing anything. You can write anything that you want. Let us select this price. I can select this price. I can do next. You can select delivery listing also. Okay, we have to add all this address in our profile. So we have to add, or I'm selecting here a digital product. It will not ask. Let us upload our files. Go down, let us upload our file. Is sample. You can just click on this open. You can do listing detail. Where is our listing detail? Here. Let's do next. Then it's done. You can do like next, add more items. You can select, you can add if you want. I am doing next, save and continue. Then you have to select your payment method also, how you will get your payment. I've been suggesting you that you have to add your credit card detail or debit card detail, or you can sign up with your PayPal account. And after this we will go to the setup in billing. You have to give your personal details. In India, it is called like passport or Aadhaar card or any identification that will prove you are a real seller, you are not a fake. Okay, so this is how you can create an account. I created. Let us teach you how to set up that. Okay, just I'm going to the setup dashboard. After you do all the things, the dashboard will look like this. Here I have paid for one article, but it deactivated by Etsy because my ground verification is not clear. That's why I am like clearing it. It's working on. So I will explain you how to do it. You can just like you have to pay every month for every post 0.20 cents. You can add here listing. I will explain you how to add. If you find this video helpful, then please like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching.